Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Al Ayyamu fil Usbu'i. The days of the week. Yawmul Ahadi. Sunday. Yawmul Ithnaini. Monday. Yawmul Thulatha. Tuesday. Yawmul Arbi'a. Wednesday. Yawmul Khamis. Thursday. Yawmul Jum'ati. Friday. And the last one is Yawmul Sabti, the Saturday. Here are the names of months of Islamic calendar. Muharram. Second one is Safar. The third one is Rabi'ul Awwal. It is the third month of lunar calendar. Fourth one is Rabi'ul Akhir, or it is also called Rabi'ul Thani. Now here is another one, that is Jamadil Ula. Another month is Jamadil Akhira, or it is also called Jamadil Thani. Then there is another month that's called Rajab. And after Rajab, there is a month called Sha'ban. After that, there is another beautiful month, a famous one, Ramadan, in which there are fasting. Then there is Shawwal. After this, there are only 2 months remaining. One is called Dhul Qa'dah. And the last month of Islamic calendar or lunar calendar is called Dhul Hajjah. With this video is going to be end. Wassalamu alaikum.